Welcome, Dr. Ajay Gambhir from Delhi Medical Association and vaccineindia.org, ex-member of NTG. My friends have told that our Chief Minister has tweeted that we need to stop flights from Singapore to Delhi so as to stop the variant from coming back to Delhi. I am surprised and laughing that this is the variant which or mutant we have already exported to Singapore. Singapore is a very disciplined country, and in last 2 days they have got 38 cases, 4 out of them are children. So they are bothered, they are disturbed that Indian double wire mutant, Indian wire variant will create a problem in Singapore, and they are more bothered of Indians coming there and virus being transferred to Singapore. They have taken precautions and they have stopped all schools and have become strict in their COVID appropriate behavior. Now, we all are talking about third wave without knowing that the third wave will be caused if there is a new variant or we are not taking appropriate steps. It is requested to all the politicians, center and state, that no one could smell, no one could think, no one could plan the second wave, and that is why we are in the disasters. No genotyping sequencing was done, no serotype planning was done, there was no surveillance, and there was no planning on the beds and the oxygen. So let us not make a fear psychosis. That we are trying to make a fear psychosis amongst the healthcare workers, among the citizens, and we are trying to say we are ready for third wave. You are not ready for second wave. How can you be ready for the third wave? So please try to do surveillance, try to have appropriate behavior, try to have genotyping sequencing of more than 5% of the positive cases from Delhi and rest of the places, and follow it. In Punjab, predominantly it was a strain from the Kent. In the south, it was in Maharashtra, it was more of the Indian mutant, double mutant virus. So it is the Indian mutant who has gone from Delhi or from India to Singapore, and they'll be importing us, re-exporting it, or will be importing it back. So, Chief Minister, sir, we should not be bothered. We should not be worried. We are all prepared. The cases are going down. We have a vaccine. Now, vaccine policy is that as adolescents are not going to school and college, we need not worry and bother. We have to see that the vaccination policy should be strengthened. Some of the countries are going till 16. Other countries are started doing till 12. India did not have the any trials here of the vaccine trials, and we did not have the capacity to produce it, and that is why we are far behind in the vaccine because of many reasons. Mutants, as told earlier, can come anytime. It was informed in one of the channels. It was done with Dr. KK that mutation is part of the virus, and especially the RNA virus. So we need to see surveillance to be strengthened, and vaccine may have to be modified, or additional dose vaccine will have to be given. Thank you very much, and let us not worry about the third wave. Let's control the second wave, and these type of gimmicks that flight has to be stopped is totally wrong and absurd.